Now it's fine. Okay. So hi, good morning, Sika.
Hi, hello, good morning. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just really cool today, and I'm pretty well. I'm super excited. Okay. And what about you?
Yes, I am also good. Thank you for asking.
Okay. And first of all, I want to congratulations to you because you have just completed your 100 subscriber on YouTube. Yeah. So
Oh, thank you.
okay.
Thanks.
So how just experience, after just getting a 100 subscriber? So can you tell me?
Okay, yeah, there is not something good experience, but
Like
yeah,
because
at
you
least,
have just
yeah, at least something is better than nothing. So now it's
Mhm,
fine, and I also feeling good.
mhm.
But yes, I want to just improve myself. So I'm thinking somewhere I also have to correct myself. Then it will be most of the fine.
Okay, really, and really you are doing great job. Okay, and Sika, today we are going to talk on a different matter. Okay, and do you know the topic for the day?
Yeah, we were about to talk risk. I think
Yeah,
the topic is risk. Yeah, yeah.
risk.
Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to tell you one thing, because I'm going to talk about this topic. Such a it's amazing topic because I have seen a lot of videos and they already talking about this matter. Okay, so I thought that we must talk with together. Thereafter, we can just improve our skill as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now I'm just going to ask some question, and you have to just reply me a very beautifully manner way, and thereafter you can also ask me. Yeah, I'm ready for that. Just make you understand, and you will just ask any kind of questions related to a risk. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So my first question to you, what is the first thing comes in your mind when you just listen the word risk? Because
Risk.
yeah,
Okay. First thing that which comes in the mind, that is risk. It means something which will be dangerous or something which will be harmful. So means it is comes unexpectedly in mind whenever we think about the risk.
okay, that's all right. Okay, actually I'm just getting. Wait sometime. Okay, just go on.
Yeah.
Okay, and now it's my turn. Okay, I'm just going to make you clear. Okay, what is
Yeah.
risk and why should we take risks in our life? Okay, all right.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Okay, and first thing, just I'm going to tell you about risks. Risks is I think like a opportunity. Yeah,
Okay.
and we must take a risk in our life because if you are going to take a risk, then definitely you will learn some things new.
Definitely.
Yeah, and
Definitely. Yeah. You are saying
um,
right.
okay, let me speak. Let me just clear it. Okay, thereafter you can speak. Okay,
Mm.
and uh, and I think people always take risk in a bad situation when he just get stuck in a bad condition. Yeah, and sometimes it's also take risk a good condition, like if you want to become a businessman, then you will have to just spend a lot of monies, like 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs rupees. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think that this is the first things comes in your mind. Risk is I think like opportunity. Okay, so are you agree with my point?
Yeah. I am also agree with your point.
Mm-hmm.
Risk is as like as opportunity also. But what I mentioned that it means whenever we think about risk, so suddenly without any expected, it comes
Mm-hmm.
like yeah, it will be harmful. But no, exactly, it's not be a harmful thing. Risk is very important for our life. Even I
Yeah,
can say
exactly.
that our life is full of risk. There is no, yeah, there is no things that going smoothly. There is many ups and downs. So it means it is already full of risk. We are already taken many risks, but some risk which is just specifically for something. So that time we had some just confusion. Yeah, it will be good or not. But yeah, if we will able to take risk, then definitely we will learn something and will achieve something.
Okay, thank you, Sika, and you have spoken very well about this topic and about risks. Okay, Now I am going to ask another question. Okay. Okay. So far, have you taken any kind of risks in your life? Because by the way, you are a successful person in your life, because in this age you are a primary teacher and you are just providing the good education in your society, in your state. Okay. So tell me, oh, have you ever taken any kind of risk in your life, in your childhood and in your middle age? Tell me.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Already you have mentioned I'm successful, but yeah, I'm also a struggler. Okay, yes.
No problem.
But yeah, if I just mention that I already taken one risk. That was, when I started to do diploma in education, because DLED and BTC, you just can't imagine. These are the
Mm-hmm.
things which were at the time which were not so famous for job purpose. So I started to do that thing, but I was not satisfied. I thought maybe I will fail. I will, after having this diploma, I would do, I won't have any job and all. So I will have to do something other. That was in my mind at the time. So that was only a risk that I had taken. But definitely, after having that diploma, whatever happened, really, only within a 1 year, I just got into job. So that was
Okay.
not, yes, that was not a risk. Now that will be a opportunity for me.
Yeah, that's all right. That is really cool. Okay. And again, now it's your turn, Asika. So would you like to ask anything from
Yeah,
me?
yeah. Yes, yes. I just want to know that, do you have taken any risk?
Yeah, it's a really a good question for me, and I'm very excited to just make you understand and just clear it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have taken so many risks in my life, but here I would like to clarify one thing, one risk here. Okay. So when I was studying in class 10th, that time, you know very well that if your examination is very at hand, that means your examination is very close to you, and you are not studying, so you will just take a you are just going to take risks. Okay. So I was my examination, and before examination, before before 2 months happening, my screen light is just going to be off. Why it is? Okay. So my examination, before 2 months, I left each and everything. I left each and everything. I didn't I didn't used to prepare anything else. Yeah, I have left each and everything. So yeah, it was also the part of our desk. Yeah, and by the help of God, I got a good marks, but I was taking a risk, big risk, because I was not preparing, I was not remembering the question, I was not solving any kind of questions. So yeah, you can say that it was also risk. Yeah,
Definitely, you had
because
taken big
because
risk.
as you know, Sika, in Bihar and UP, the matriculation is the first step you are just
Yeah,
going to enter. Yeah, and that time, I was I was not curious, that I was not passionate about my examination. So yeah, it was my
yes,
a little bit risk. Yeah. Okay.
yeah. It's a
So now again, do you want to ask anything?
yes, yes. So what is your perception about different type of risk? Because there is different kind of risk. So could you tell me some with examples some of the risks?
Okay, listen to me. Okay, but Sika, I would like to tell you one thing here. In our society, in our country, people think that if we are going to take a risk, then it will give me the bad result. They always think that. They don't think that I'm just going to risk, then I will get a good result. Okay. They always think that if I am going to take a risk, then I will get a bad result. Okay. So I think that you should not think like that. Okay. Because if you do not taking a risk, then that means you are not going to learn anything. Yeah, so I think that you must take in risks, and definitely if you take risks, then definitely you will be go ahead in your life. Like that, you have told me that I was thinking like that, whatever you have spoken about yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. And
yeah, right.
what do you think that should we take risks in our life?
Yeah, we should be taking risk. I think,
Mm-hmm.
if we will take any risk, then the result will be good, definitely. But we have to just keep determination over there. If we are taking some risk and we are just going here and there, so result wouldn't be good. If you are
Yeah,
taking
exactly.
any risk, then you have to just do it passionately, not like this is only a risk. As like I want to, yeah, I want to just explain by example. Like if you are doing a online business, I think
Mm-hmm.
online business, many times you have to pay money before having your job, your online business. So you
Mm-hmm.
already have to pay money. So that is as like a, yeah, that is a, I think it's a risk, because you already paid some money and it is not sure that you will achieve
Mm-hmm.
and you will return the
Amount.
money or not. So yes,
Mm-hmm.
like this. But the person who who just did this job, who is doing this job passionately, so dedicatedly, so definitely they are they are earning good money in online business
Mm-hmm.
also.
Okay, all right. And you have spoken really well about this topic. Okay. So again, Shika, do you want to ask anything? Apart from this topic, which is comes in your mind or anything?
Okay. Yeah, which is come in mind. One thing that nowadays Olympic is doing very well. So
Yeah,
what's
yeah.
your?
Yeah, it's a really proud of moment. We all are Indian because yesterday evening I was just watching the news, and I was not watching the that games, but I was watching the television and I saw Neeraj Chopra, and he got the gold, and so yeah, it was a really pleasure moment for all the Indian. And this year came a lot of changes. Yeah, this year is a really amazing for the all Indian people, and we are really so happy, and we are really proud of being an Indian. Yeah,
Definitely
and
right.
what do you think about what do you think about that
Yes,
moment?
because this is a great moment for us. We should proud of them ourselves,
Mm-hmm.
be Indian. And I also I was watching the video,
Mm-hmm.
highlight of that Neeraj Chopra video. So that time I got goosebump. Oh my God, means really it
Yeah,
excited me much. So if I am watching on on a screen only, movie and TV, and so that is my condition. So I was just thinking, if this is my condition, so the people who were
mm-hmm.
already over there and the person who is doing this, so what is the condition, what his expression, and
Yeah,
so
exactly.
that
It
I
it
really
was a it was a really just moment, a pleasure moment for him, and he is not just becoming his popular. Yeah, and his all the people are all the being the people of India, we are just getting a lot of happiness. Yeah, and in
it's
this
a,
year, in
also
this.
a
Just
emotional
go on.
moment. I just got emotional. Wow, means something that he achieved. Means he achieved, but behind this, what was the story? He also means his hard work. He did many hard work. Then he will be
Yeah, definitely. It's totally crazy goes to hard work. Okay, without without doing hard work, nothing is nothing is possible. Yeah, it's totally crazy goes to and one thing I think I would like to tell you, Sika, and I think that something is credit goes to a lockdown, because after just getting lockdown, they all are just doing a very hard labor, and they had a good time to just practice and all. Yeah, so what do you think that?
right. Yeah, this is also, this is also because this lockdown is as like a risk we already
Yeah,
had taken. But most of the people is just doing it in a opportunity way, and they
hmm,
done many more good things.
exactly, because everything has a two side, positive and negative, and I have also taken this a lockdown with positive, because uh, um, we are in the lockdown, and whatever, and however you are just going to learn a new skill, like speaking and all. So I think that it's a opportunity for you.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's the only opportunity for me. I also had taken like this opportunity. Don't,
Yep.
don't start idle and don't just sit like, oh no, there is nothing.
Yeah, there is a bad time for me. What can I do? Yeah, it's not think that. Okay, just take a positively way, and thereafter definitely you will just do anything. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's
Okay.
go on.
Do you have any question?
No, I think I don't have any question related to our topic, but I have a lot of question apart from this topic. So I think Ashika, right now it's enough for today
Yeah.
about this topic. Okay, so it was really nice conversation with you, and
Yeah.
I will meet you next. I will meet you on the next time definitely, because we are brother and sister, and I treat you as a my elder sister, and I always I you just realize that and I am your small brother. So thank you, Sika, my sis. Okay, just take care yourself and stay at home, and okay, just keep learning and just keep improving. Thank you. All right.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.